totally new experience, and I'm so excited about it, okay? It is not live. What it is, the trading masterclass. I'm going to show you how to master two very specific strategies, just as I explained in my post today, okay? So, look, this is very, very simple. There's a lot of people who are using the CCI up, Williams down, and Williams up, CCI down. So that is what we are going to focus on, okay? And you are going to master this so that you can make a profit, all right? Just so this is guaranteed, or to jump down to that guarantee, it is literally going to be everything that I promised. And if you find that it was not, you can DM me personally, coach you through it. And I have made over $100,000 on these two strategies. So I'm more than confident that you can learn to master, okay? I'm going to show you basically how it works, but you're going to learn how to master the CCI up, volumes down, master the CCI down, volumes up, draw your SNR, your trend lines, how to avoid bad trade setups, how to turn $50 into way more than that, quickly using only these two strategies, and even how to profit if you only win 1 out of 3 trades. This is gold, okay? And more. So I created this masterclass to provide a personalized experience. So let me show you what that means, all right? I did post this picture. This is where I was going to start building out the two-touch strategy as a course, a video course, not with these videos that are in here. This is just a template, but anyways, this is basically what it is, where you have your intro and then you can choose your journey. You can either go straight through everything from the setup all the way to the golden strategy, the golden setup, or you can choose to skip the setup because you already know how to do it and go directly into entries or however you want to do it. And I'm using Interactor for this. I've used this for many other courses, many other trainings, and my master classes, which that's exactly what this is. You do not want to miss it, okay? And this is only a one-time payment of $99 if you get in today. All right, it's going to be Monday, and your launch pricing is always super discounted. So today it's only $99. After today and up through Monday, it's $159, and after Monday, it's $199. All right. If you want to learn how to profit consistently off these two strategies, and learning everything from support, becoming resistance, and how we're using that, how to draw the SNR lines, and how to make money. You can do this daily. This was $13.75, or you can, do just a straight 1,000, or you can do things like how I do, 40,000. The choice is yours, but you need to learn how to do this. How do you think that I was able to just go out and get my houses and my trucks and all of my cars? It's because I know what I'm doing. I know how to do this. And again, I'm going to show you how to profit with just 30% success rate, and anybody can do this. Okay. And just so you know, yes, this is my son's comforter. We were counting the money on the comforter, and I actually have a picture of my son sitting on the comforter. Okay. You can go back through my post to see it yourself. But if you want to learn how to master, literally master these two strategies, then this is for you, and you want to get in today because, again, it's only a one-time payment of $99. You wait, and it's going to be $159, and then it's going to be $199, okay? Master the trade, the master class. It's going to be Monday, and again, it is not live. This is a new learning experience, so you can choose how you want to actually go through it, okay? So this is very simple. It is very straightforward. I'm going to take you everything from this is what you're looking for, this is how to set up the chart, all the way through this is how you spot, this is how you enter, how to avoid the golden setup, everything that you need to know, everything, so that you can do it exact way that I do, okay? I have been doing nothing other than trading these two strategies, technically, that and the strike through, so that I can teach you and impart that knowledge to you, so you can do what I do, all right? So I'm going to end this here, but today, you can get in for just $99. You can submit your payment via Bitcoin. My address is right there. You can direct message me so that I can add you to the attendees list, and you will automatically receive access link on Monday. All right. So that is it. I will see you later.